Invite your friends and your kids. We bout to kick it, living the has life. That's right, we living. Put your hater blockers on. Don't see no limits. Hook, line, sinker, cast. We going fishing. Cut bait, then wait. Come here, kitten. Come on, blue cat. Big blue cat is the mission. Big bite, ride going down. Then we missed them. Time to fire up the grill. Gypsy habanero chicken. Finger licking, so delicious. When it comes off the grill, don't miss it. Happy Gilmore the cast. Send it to outer space. Tune in to Michael Chavez cooking show. Tice. Monster ride holders on a new boat. Godfather. Seminars. All summer long, I'm going fishing. Invite your friends and your kids. We bout to kick it, living the has life. That's right, we living. Put your hater blockers on. Don't see no limits. All summer long, I'm going fishing. Invite your friends and your kids. We bout to kick it, living the has life. That's right, we living. Put your hater blockers on. Don't see no limits. Hook, line, sinker, cast. We going fishing.
Well, boys and girls, welcome back into the channel. Back out here on the beautiful Kansas River. New spot. I fished here a long time ago, had some luck. Pretty shallow over here, but deeper over here where the current's flowing. Comes around to this pocket where there's water's not moving at all. I'm guessing this is probably a good spot. It's pretty rocky. Got mud over there. See what we can get. Got some night crawlers like always. A couple pieces of cut bait. See what we can catch. Let go.
Summer long, I'm going fishing. Invite your friends and your kids. We bout to kick it, living the has life. That's right, we living. Put your hater blockers on. Don't see no limits. All summer long, I'm going fishing. Invite your friends and your kids. We bout to kick it, living the has life. That's right, we living. Put your hater blockers on. Don't see no limits. Appreciate everybody watching, everybody listening, everybody supporting, sharing, hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, dropping comments below. I appreciate you guys. I know you guys been wanting to hear me drop some music, but I had to wait till it was the right time, and it's the right time. So if you like what you like, let me know, and I'll make some.
Alright, my friends, we are going to load up. Go head back to the truck. I got another spot in mind. I've never fished there before. I kind of know where it is, but I'm drive over there, a couple miles away, see if we can't get down there. If not, then we're going to go back over to the 435 and walk the bank down there. So hopefully it works. If not, you'll never see this. We'll see if we can't lift this bad boy up there. Get tired, baby. Get tired. Get tired, big dog. That's a good one. Get tired. Get tired. Get tired. Ah, damn it. Come on, take it in there. Come on. Come on. Stay on there. Come on. Nope. Damn, took my bait. Hey, look. Got us a good channel cat. Thanks to those guys over there for helping me. Boom, we'll let them go.
Monster ride holders on a new boat. Godfather. Seminars by epic catfish, how to fish smarter. Salute to the OGs, I'ma take the game farther. Stay humble, stay hungry, stay honest, and work harder. Notification bell goes off. What is this surprise? It's the king of bling. Chunky Cats live. I lost about 10 rigs today. What am I to do? I'm going on Facebook and searching Uncle Lou.
Well, boys and girls, that's gonna do it for this video on the channel. Man, we worked for them today, but it wasn't super productive, but still a good learning experience. Still caught some fish, but can't pass up this 58 degrees today. Tomorrow's supposed to be a winter advisory, low of like 0 degrees. It's gonna be nasty tomorrow. Hey. If anybody is interested in some KC Fish Page stickers, I have a lot of them left. I haven't really been pushing them. I don't really push any merchandise just yet. But if anybody's interested in stickers, I have a lot of people's channel stickers. I like collecting stickers. I'm going to start putting them all around my fishing bucket. But if you would like some of my stickers, shoot me a message on Facebook, Instagram, Fishbrain, whatever, or in the comment section, or you can even email me. It's in the bio. I'll get back to you. I'll send them to you, no charge. Just let me know. Well, until next time, let go.
Oh, son.